So good day. We are here with dive number 4. This will be our last dive of the Kelders. And like we say, we try to do new spots and new locations. This is a brand new spot over here. The only negative, there's some recordings of great white seen here a couple of times. The only reason why we're doing this dive today is the water is really clear, really beautiful, and these conditions is really rare. So if the water is clear, you can see any shark, any predators from a distance, and you can keep your eye on them. So yeah, we're gonna do this dive here. Let me just show you a bit of a top view. And we are really excited for it. This is Enzo's excited face. And we're gonna stay close together, and then we're gonna just dive in and see. Hopefully we get some nice fish. The cave we were speaking about, where we're gonna dive at. Let's see how it looks underneath. got tired. Yo. Got very tired, but it was really fun. High five. Thanks, Chris. Yeah, it was great fun and woo, let's go up.